Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Spankster206 and today I'm going to be doing a quick guide on Steam keys. Now I'm going to be answering 3 questions for you today. What is a Steam key? How do I activate a Steam key? And where do you acquire Steam keys? So without any further ado, let's get straight into it, no holds barred. So step 1, what is a Steam key? A Steam key is typically a 15-digit long, I will call it, code with 2 dashes, 5 characters, dash, 5 character, dash, 5 character. It's typical format that I've seen of them, and they are used to activate different games and stuff on Steam. Now, the only way I can describe this is if you have ever bought a gift card from the store. Like you bought let's say a Steam gift card from Walmart or something, and you bring it home. You can't just
Take my money.
yeah, no, that's not gonna work. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to scratch the little thing off the back, right? There will be that little code, and then you have to go into Steam. You have to activate that code, which is gonna add that gift card money to your balance. Same thing goes for a Steam key. It's basically a key that activates a game instead of a money product. So now that you know what a Steam key is, how do you use it? Well, in your Steam client on the computer, you can't do this on mobile, I don't believe. I think you can only do it on a computer. Pull up your Steam client, and then in the top left corner, there's this tab that says Games. If you click on that, and you go to activate a product on Steam, it's a little bit of a pain in the butt to click it sometimes, because you'll pop up this little menu every now and then, so just try to weasel your way in between and click activate. That's going to pop up product innovation. Basically, it's just telling you what you're going to do with it. You're entering a product code, hit next. There's a Steam subscriber agreement. Basically, it's the terms and conditions of your installment saying that you agreed that you're installing a product through Steam. And that you can't use this code ever again. Pretty much what this is. Here's where you enter in your code. Now, like it shows you right here, keys look like the following, although 90 times out of 100, I will see it look like this top model here with the 5 character dash, 5 character dash, 5 character dash. This is where you'd activate one, and I will actually come back and show you me activating one just to show you what that looks like. Now the third and final question. Where do I get Steam keys? Well, a lot of people do giveaways, like I recently held one myself to give Steam keys away. But where people originally get Steam keys is usually from the company itself, or something called Keymailer, which is what I go through sometimes for some games, because these keys are actually the code of the product. They can't be used more than once. It's a one-time thing, but it's like you're buying the product. So when a company wants you to promote their game, like through Keymailer, it's what I use, they're giving me the game for free by giving me this code that I can activate. They're essentially giving me the game. Like you'd buy a gift card, like I said before, and you activate it like on your gaming console or whatever. That's what this is. It's the same thing essentially. It's just buying the gift card without the gift card, but you have the code you need. Originally, these are acquired through the companies giving them away to promote their game, usually in some way or some form. Now, how do we, as connoisseurs, get them otherwise? Well, there are plenty of websites you can use, like Kinguin, G2A, CJCD keys. I will leave links for all these places in the description. I personally go through G2A.com. I have a membership through there as well. I recommend G2A. I love them, and I have never had any problems with them. So I'm on G2A right now, and I've been playing a lot of House Flipper lately. Now, you will find a lot of games cheaper by buying the CD key through a certain website like this. So I've been playing a lot of House Flipper, and they just recently released a DLC. I'm just going to search House Flipper, and it's the luxury DLC. And right here you'll see the lowest offer is $10.69, which is the small price from my membership. I'll click on that, and I will scroll down. It says buy with G2A Plus, which is what I have. If you don't have G2A Plus, it usually knocks off like a couple cents and raises it maybe like $11 in this case. It's not a lot, but I don't have this. I'd like to have it. So let me go to the store real quick. Well, I can't type. And go to House Flipper. The House Flipper Luxury DLC, which is on my wish list, as you can see, is normally $15. So, instead of me paying $15 to get this DLC, I could, on G2A, I could buy this key and activate it for only $10.69, and then whatever taxes are after that, obviously. But I could do that. And I'm actually going to, just to prove to you this works, I'm going to buy this real quick and activate it for myself, and then show you how much money you can actually save with this. I have saved hundreds of dollars by doing this. It is so worth it. I recommend it. I'll be back in just a second after I buy this. And when it comes to these things, you can usually pay with like PayPal or Visa card. One thing I will note while I'm here and I haven't gone any farther is the fact that some keys, like gift cards, they are regional. They are activated only in certain areas. So make sure when you buy one, it tells you where you can activate it. Okay, see right here, it knows that I'm in the United States. So right here, it says can activate in United States. So it is a global version of the key. This could be limited to United States. This could be limited to the United Kingdom. This could be just limited to a certain region like Russia or just anything like that. But this can be limited. So make sure when you buy keys that they are for global or for wherever you are. Otherwise, you can't activate it. Okay, my transaction was successful. I've never had any problems with G2A ever. Yes, I know. I made a payment. I got it. Yes, I know. I got it. I already have it. They already sent it to me. It's fully automatic. It's great. But this is how I get Steam keys, and this is where I get Steam keys for giveaways as well, which I'll be having more of in the future. But that aside, I'll be clicking the Get Steam key, and obviously you're not going to see it because it's going to be blurred out. It will be there. When I hit this button, it's going to show me the key. Okay, so I had show me the key, and this is the key that it gave me. Now, once I use this one time, it's not going to work anymore. So it's not going to hurt if I leave it on screen to show you. So I will leave it here. And I'm going to just hit this copy button. And I'm going to go up to the Games tab, like I said before. Activate product, hit next, agree. Paste that in, hit next, and bam. House Flipper Luxury DLC. Activation successful. So now I hit finish. And that is now in my Steam library. If I go down to House Flipper. And the update has been QU'd because I acquired new DLC. So I just saved $4 buying the DLC for that. Pretty cool. And that is how I save money buying all my games by using Steam keys and buying Steam keys. I don't like paying full price for games. Now, granted, there were a lot of great deals for like Black Friday and stuff this year, but I absolutely love the use of Steam keys. So I'm always looking for them. I'm always getting them when I can, and they save you money. So I recommend that you potentially start going through these as well. Now, there are some sites that aren't as trustworthy, so I recommend using the few that I have mentioned. And the links for those will all be in the description. But usually you can just search for whatever you're after. Make sure that you can activate it in the region you are and for whatever platform, because they don't have just Steam. They also have Xbox and PlayStation codes. So make sure you check that out. But this could save you a lot of money, so I highly recommend it. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to smack the like button down below to show your support for the channel. It helps more than you could ever imagine. And if you liked the video, that's nice, because I might have just saved you a lot of money, so it would be appreciated if you did like the video. And if you want to subscribe, you can always stay up to date on what I upload next. Could be more money-saving tips. Could be me playing games. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching. And until I see all of you in the next video, have a fantastic day. Later, guys. Thanks for sticking around the video for a few more minutes. I'm going to just show you a few things that are currently up and live right now. Just some pretty cool deals that I think are pretty great. If I don't see them here, I'll look them up personally. This is the winter sale from 2022. Well, for 2022 coming. And basically, this is some of the best deals they have right now. One of my favorite ones is Grand Theft Auto 5. They have the Premium Online Edition for $10.13. That is pretty dang great. They have the God of War game for less than $40 right here. That's pretty good. The Ultimate Edition of Red Dead Redemption 2 for $31.64. That's pretty great. If you're gonna, this is one thing I'll say. If you're gonna buy like Office keys or Windows keys, I recommend going through CJ's keys for that. They're usually cheaper and they come pretty quick. So I usually go through there for like Windows and software. But I buy most of my games from G2A. Here's Horizon Zero Dawn, the Complete Edition for $16.50. That's pretty good. Resident Evil 8 Village for less than $25. These are all legit things that you can activate for these games. Like this could save you so much money. Like how could you not want to do this? Granted, I will say it does show you a little price tag like beneath the game. Like right here it says Minecraft. It shows like $30. You can't always trust this price, so don't always go by what they cross off. But the price you're paying is obviously a legit price, so that is something to think about. Dark Souls 3 Deluxe for less than $18. That's pretty great. I know I keep saying that's pretty great, but it is. I'm just thinking of all the money that you could be saving right now. I love it. The Skyrim Special Edition. This is the remaster with all the DLC Skyrim for $13.60. How could you not want that? Assassin's Creed Valhalla for less than $30. And of course, they sell random Steam key packs as well, so be on the lookout for those. They have pretty good prices. I bought all my Steam keys from G2A for the giveaway, and I'll be having more in the future. But this is where I do it. This is where it happens. So head over to G2A or CJ CD Keys or Kingwin and save yourself a lot of money today. You'll thank yourself later.